Whoa, it's Paul. The leader!
Spy Ninjas, I need your help.
What do you mean you need our help? You're the bad guy, we're the good guys. Why would we ever team up with you?
The elevator was going to crash. I stopped it. I saved you. Follow me.
Guess we have no other choice. I do not trust this guy one bit.
Did you say you needed our help? What do you need our help for?
Today I offer a truce. The enemy of my enemy is my friend.
We've heard that before.
Are you saying you want to be our friend?
There is a hacker in our organization that must be eliminated. Spy Ninjas, I need your help to destroy the Cloaker.
Why can't you deal with him yourself?
Yeah.
Why do you need our help?
Yeah, you got so many hackers. Just tell your hackers to take them out.
If you eliminate the Cloaker, I will return PZ4 to you.
Regina!
Spy Ninja.
Yeah,
come over here. I do not trust this guy one bit. He's the freaking Project Zorgo leader, the worst one. The guy who made Project Zorgo.
He says he's gonna release Regina, but there's no way he's gonna release Regina. We're gonna do a favor for him, then he's gonna trick us.
We need to know if he's lying or not. How can we tell?
Great idea, V. I think I'm ready.
Oh, there he is.
Dr. Dan. All right.
I will see if he's telling the truth.
So, PZ leader. I don't know if you watch our videos or not, but when I'm in this white suit, we do a live. Ow!
Let go.
Let go of him!
Ow!
Let go of him, buddy Daniel!
What the heck? Why is he so strong?
How dare you disrespect me? I offer you a truce and this is what you do?
No! PZ leader, you have to understand. I don't know if you're telling the truth or not. If you want us to destroy the Cloaker, you gotta let us give you the lie detector test. Because I don't know if you're telling the truth, man.
Yeah,
Let
me-
go, Daniel!
Listen to V!
Let go of me!
Fine.
Okay, perfect. PZ leader, okay. I'm sure all the Spy Ninjas have tons of questions for you.
Yeah, I have a lot of questions for you.
V, I've never seen you go that crazy before.
Okay, PZ leader, whenever we do this, if you tell 3 lies, we unmask you.
I have nothing to hide.
So it's a deal then. If he lies 3 times, you're gonna unmask the leader.
First question, what is your identity? What's your name?
That's a good question, Daniel.
Who are you, PZ leader?
A name, an identity, these are all pointless currencies. I am who I am.
This guy thinks he's Shakespeare or something here, or what?
That's not even an answer. I'm gonna count that as lie number 1.
Yeah, that's 1 lie. 2 more of those, off with the mask, and we're not gonna go after the Cloaker for you.
Very well. A deal is a deal.
Okay.
2 more questions, and if you lie, we get to unmask the PZ leader. If you're not gonna reveal your identity, then who is the Cloaker?
Yeah, the guy you want destroyed.
The Cloaker was the head of operations in the Philippines. When we found him, he was living in Costa Rica. Next question.
Well, let's see if you're lying.
Yeah, hold on.
The readings are saying he's telling the truth. Do we know anybody who lives in the Philippines or Costa Rica? Or...
I mean, Melvin family's from there, and Regina's family's from there, I think.
Yeah, Melvin can't be the Cloaker. They've been together.
No, they're
Same
not.
with Regina.
Yeah,
Right.
she can't be the Cloaker.
Next question was a good one.
Wait.
What?
Wait.
Yes?
What's he doing?
He's talking to somebody.
Yes. Terminate.
Whoa!
Very good.
You just terminated somebody, PZ leader?
That is none of your business.
Was it Regina? PZ4?
It didn't sound like her. I think it was someone else.
What Regina's doing?
Oh!
All right, fine.
This guy's a freak.
PZ leader, why do you want to destroy the Cloaker?
The Cloaker and PZ9 used to make a great team. As we know, PZ9 is known for switching sides very often. Sometimes he acts like a Project Zorgo member, and sometimes he acts like a Spy Ninja. The Cloaker's job was to make sure PZ9 never joins the Spy Ninjas again, watching his every move. However, recently the Cloaker has gone rogue, and is not following my commands. He is up to something involving the new... Wait. Perhaps I should not say.
Wait.
The new what?
He didn't finish what he was saying.
He did say the Cloaker's gone rogue? I thought everybody in Project Zorgo got along with each other.
Wait, he stopped himself. Was he talking about the new masks? These things?
Yeah.
Does he know we have those? He saw us carrying them in the elevator.
He gave me the red safe.
And inside the red safe was this mask.
It fits me and everything.
Remember we heard all the hackers telling Regina, who was wearing the mask, that the leader doesn't like these masks.
Okay, leader, what is the significance of these new masks?
The new mask consists of a futuristic and stealth-oriented design. The new masks are only for Elite Project Zorgo members only.
Elite members.
Elite members?
We found a safe with PZ Foof on it.
Yeah, he's not very elite, but maybe there's a reason why he didn't give the red safe to PZ Floomf yet. Maybe PZ Floomf didn't earn it
I got one.
after you paid $10,000. Mine $10,000.
No, our $10,000.
Okay, our 10,000.
Yeah, I know. It's supposed to be our honeymoon fun. I risk it for this.
This
So
is
we can.
a pretty poor purchase. I mean, it's kind of expensive.
No, Chad, this can destroy Project Zorgo forever. We're gonna find out why.
Yeah. Do you realize how close we're getting to defeating Project Zorgo? I mean, the leader's asking for help. This is it. Something's going down here.
Well, first of all, is he even telling the truth right now, Daniel?
Yeah.
Let's see if that's true. The leader doesn't seem nervous at all. Such a steady heart rate.
Yeah.
Don't move on just yet. I was not done explaining the new masks. The new masks have unfortunately gotten into the wrong hands.
Well, I mean, we're the spy ninjas, you know,
I mean, it's the right hand to me.
Silence. I was not talking about the spy ninjas.
Okay, well, let's see if he's telling the truth.
Okay. Yes, he's telling the truth.
What?
Something weird is going on at Project Zorgo. If the hackers aren't even getting along, they're gonna be pretty easy to defeat.
Oh, I like the sound of this. These are falling into the wrong hands already.
The right hand.
The left hand.
To follow up on that, whose hands have they fallen into? Who's the wrong hands then if it's not the spy ninjas, huh?
Yeah.
Enough of the new masks. Next question.
Are you afraid of the new Project Zorgo masks? You're not gonna answer the question, it's gonna be a lie.
That is fine. A deal is a deal. Next question.
Fine. We'll move on.
Okay, alright.
That's 2 lies.
Yeah, it's gonna count as a lie then if you don't answer it.
Oh my gosh, one more. We get to unmask him.
Yes.
Be careful now. I have you in the bowels of my headquarters.
The bowels.
There's 3 against 1. Bowels.
The buttocks?
Is he gonna dump us down the garbage shaft? Is he
Trash
gonna
compactor.
dump us down the sewer shaft this
Ew.
time? Bowels?
No, we made a deal, PZ Leader. One more lie, and we're seeing who you are.
Yeah.
PZ Leader, me, Regina, and Melvin all used to be Project Zorgo hackers. Why did you hire us? We don't remember.
Yeah.
Project Zorgo fills its ranks with up-and-coming YouTubers. Daniel, your tech channel was impressive. Take a look at your laptop.
Laptop.
What?
Laptop?
Dude, I need that for my laptop.
We'll have to take control of the screen.
Your tech reviews demonstrated your skills with the latest devices.
Yeah, that's
Dude,
me.
that's you.
Oh,
That's a long time ago.
We could use a master of technology.
Look how weird I look. I don't remember doing this, but makes sense.
Regina made entertainment videos on YouTube.
That's Regina. I've never seen this video before.
She clearly understood the algorithm of YouTube very well.
She looks so young. Well, it's the same.
It's the same.
Yeah.
And Melvin hosted a top 10 channel.
Melvin?
What video is this? I've never seen this.
That's what he looks like?
Clearly his research skills and personality would be a fine fit at Project Zorgo.
PC Leader, you've been looking at YouTube for years, finding people like me?
That's so weird. Chad, you and I have been on YouTube since 2010. How come they didn't recruit us? What the heck?
I think they did try to recruit us, the GKC school.
There are many Project Zorgo members here who were once up-and-coming YouTubers.
Okay.
Is it true?
Dude, these lie detector readings are so strange. But
What's strange about it?
he's just telling the truth so hard.
How do you tell the truth so hard? What's that mean?
It's just like he's not nervous at all. Everybody's at least a little nervous when they're doing a lie detector test. It's true.
I guess that's why he's the leader, right? Just firm and steady.
I'm confident.
I haven't seen his hair flip yet, so I don't know how confident. But, PZ Leader, tell us what you know about the GKC school.
The GKC school was a long-lost school of Project Zorgo past. This is where we recruited new members to the team.
GKC was a real hacker school. Wait a minute, guys, this is what I don't understand. If the leader knows about the GKC, we think the GKC school is our safe house, right?
Yeah.
There's videos of you guys when you were little here.
Yeah, how does he not know the location of the safe house then?
Maybe.
Okay, leader, I've got a question for you. Do you know the location of the GKC school?
No. The location has been long lost through the sands of time. I used to know. But after my experiment, the location was wiped from my memory.
What? Dude, my mind's getting blown here.
His memories erased too? So that means he's not the most powerful person?
There's somebody else who erased his memory even?
And that person knows where our safe house is.
Who could that be?
Tell me it's
This
a
is-
lie.
he's gotta be lying. He's gotta be
It's
lying.
gotta be
I don't know if
lying.
I want this to be true or not. Lie detector test is saying 80% true.
80% true.
For the first time, I saw something happen in the...
So he's getting a little nervous.
I think that's nervousness, yeah. It's like a little blip.
It's probably because mentioning someone more powerful than him makes him nervous.
Doesn't like that.
Who's this powerful person?
Just keep trying to make him more and more nervous, okay?
We can unmask him.
Okay, leader, I've got a real question that I know everybody wants to know. We keep hearing rumblings, whispers through the grapevine about this commission. What do you know about the commission?
The Commission is a group consisting of the 5 most powerful hackers. The Commission and I work to control Project Zorgo on a global level.
So...
That was interesting, but more confusing than I've never even heard of this until like a week or two ago.
The Cloaker's the one who keeps talking about the commission, the guy you want destroyed.
But I've heard other hackers talk about it too.
Really?
I'm so confused. Is he telling the truth?
Yeah, he's telling the truth.
Spy Ninjas, what is your theory on the commission? Who is the commission? What is it? Leave a comment down below. You guys are really smart. You're good at figuring these things out. Do you know all of the hackers' true identities? Like their faces and their names?
Yeah, like 314 and boom, everybody.
Yeah.
Yes. I know every hacker's true identity.
He said yes. He's probably the one who erased all their memories and like interviewed them and brought them like just like he did to you.
Yeah.
He hired you.
Yeah, he's telling the truth.
Okay.
I have a question. I mean, Daniel, you found out your last name. Let's find out what Regina's last name is.
Yeah. He knows the identity of every hacker.
That's a great question.
Okay. All right. Project Zorgo leader, what is Regina's PZ4's last name?
I know PZ4's last name, but I am not at privilege to tell you.
Wait, come on.
He worded that so cleverly.
He said he knows it, but he's not at privilege to tell us. That means he's not allowed to tell us? Why not?
Wait, who's controlling him?
So wait,
Who's-
is it a lie or is he telling the truth?
Yeah, he's telling the truth. He didn't give us much, but what he said was true. I know Project Zorgo gives people fake last names. Do you know her real last name? Because they said mine was an F, that wasn't true.
Yes, we do create fake last names for every member. Daniel's fake last name started with F for fake. Regina's fake last name starts with P for pretend.
Yeah, I've been reading comments of people guessing her last name, and I saw all those last name guesses about you, Daniel.
Yeah.
Turned out to be fake. Your
Yeah.
last name starts with a G, not an F. Regina's does not start with a P. We know that.
At least we're narrowing it down.
Hey, we got 25 more letters to go.
Okay, PZ leader. Next question. Do you have a family?
Oh, that's a good one.
Yes, I had a family once, but they are dead to me now.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
No.
I'm glad I'm not part of his family. Okay,
Yeah.
oh. I think I know whose family is that.
You do? Who?
Because you know who's now dead. Joseph Banks. Oh, remember? There was that picture we found of the leader, Joseph Banks, and the boombox guy together. Okay, leader, is your family Joseph Banks and the boombox guy?
No.
Okay.
Okay.
Is he I don't believe him. I don't believe it.
He's telling the truth, it looks like.
Okay. Maybe Joseph Banks is alive still.
Maybe. But that boombox dude, who the heck is that third guy in the picture?
Perlita seems to think that's her dad.
You know what? Now's the time we figure this out. That third guy. PZ leader.
Yeah.
Who is the third guy in the picture? Who is boombox dude?
I do not know the identity of that person in the picture.
Wait a second. Is that true?
I mean, if you're in the picture with him, you gotta know who he is.
What are you talking about?
That's gotta be a lie, Daniel.
Dude, he's lying!
Dude, that's the third lie.
That's lie
We're
number
unmasking
3!
him.
Time to unmask you.
PZ leader, you made us a deal. It's time to unmask you. Who wants to do the honors?
I'll remove the mask myself.
I can't reach Chad till you do it.
Let's find out who you are, PZ leader.
You agreed to this.
Wait,
Oh, let him go.
read it again.
What?
Read it again.
What?
What do you mean read it again? I'm the lie detector guy. I know what I'm talking. Oh, what the heck? What? It says true now. Wait, it says true. I'm sorry. I must have read it wrong or something. Yeah, look, his heart rate, it didn't dip. I could have sworn it did. Wait,
What?
what happened?
Daniel?
He didn't lie 3 times. He was telling the truth. I think. I mean, I'm the lie detector.
Hack your computer, Daniel.
Yeah, I know what I'm doing with the lie detector test. I'm wearing the white shirt. Did he change the answer? Okay, well.
Enough of these questions.
Enough of these questions.
I've answered enough to prove my trust to you, Spy Ninjas. Do we have a truce or not?
Spine and John. Okay. I mean, he mostly told the truth on everything.
Yeah, he wants the cloaker destroyed. I mean, we hate the cloaker, right?
Yeah, but not as much as I hate him, I guess. I mean, he's the whole reason we're in this predicament.
Taking down the Cloaker is a pretty cool start of taking down Project Zorgo, so I think it's a pretty good deal.
Yeah.
And he said he'll release Regina if we do that. So
I miss her.
that's two good things that we get out of it. So
Okay.
seems like a pretty good deal.
Are we seriously gonna team up with the leader, Chad?
I don't think we have any other choice. We gotta get Regina out of here.
Okay.
Okay.
Let's tell him.
Daniel, take the camera.
So what will it be, Spy Ninjas? Do we have a truce?
Truce.
Yes, you do.
We agree to destroy the Cloaker in exchange for you releasing Regina.
I will deliver PZ4 to you. As long as you eliminate the Cloaker, you have my word.
Okay, Chad, you and me shake on it?
You got yourself a deal, leader.
Very good. This week, the Spy Ninjas and Project Zorgo shall come together. Thank you, Spy Ninjas. I look forward to working with you.